From the dungeon of bones made from 60 lakhs people and skulls in the past. The island having lakhs of spoiled dolls hanging in it. Hi friends, I am back with a new video and today's topic is top 10 scary places in the world. If you are the one full of enthusiasm, please watch the video till the end. Once again, welcome back to my channel Facts Tuber. Okay, let's start the countdown. Number 10, Island of Dolls. In an island of Mexico, there lived a man called Don Julian Santos. One day while he was watching, a girl aged 12 years died drowning in the water. Next day, a doll was floating on the spot that girl died. This man took that doll and hanged on the tree of that island. From that day onwards, every day, at least one doll was floating on that water. He even started to hang all the dolls he found there on the tree. He did it till he died. Now that island have thousands of dolls. People who stay nearby say that these dolls have soul of that girl who died. They also said that these dolls behave like they communicate each other. Even they found them blinking and moving their hand and legs. Here the biggest mystery is that even the Don Julian died at the same spot. After this happened, this island emerged itself as a tourist attraction. Number 9. Okigahara. Near the Fuji mountain in Japan, there is a forest called Okigahara. This forest is famous as a suicide spot. Every year, at least 200 people come here to commit suicide. In that, some people get tinned to commit suicide and return back. Remaining people commit suicide and die there. Majority of people die here are drug addicts or people with financial problems. In recent times, it became the hotspot of suicide. So that government had banned publishing about this forest in that country. Tourists go there to see these dead bodies hanging on the tree. Number 8. The Snake Island. An island named Cumida Grande is the only island with the largest number of snakes. In this island, the viper snakes are in the majority. These snakes are very poisonous and dangerous. To make you understand more, you can find at least one snake for every single step you take there. People who go to that island have mostly died. Number 7. Winchester Mystery House. William Britt Winchester was a Californian gun magnate. After his death, his wife Sarah Winchester got all the property. From that day, the soul of her husband started troubling her from going out. Not only by the soul of her husband, she also got troubled by few spirits who were killed by their company rifles. To confuse the ghost, she renovated her house in a new way. That house does not have a plan. Everything was very odd. For your understanding, for example, if a door is opened, a wall would be seen. Stairs would stop suddenly. The main door was a window. Crazy mind. Till she died, she did this for 100 houses. And now these houses are the tourist spot in California. Number 6. Sedlec Ossuary. There is a Roman Catholic church in a country called Czech Republic. People there believe that they would directly go to God if they are buried around the church after their death. That is why till now around 70,000 people are buried here. After that they renovated this church. Interestingly, they decorated this church with the bones of remains from the graves. Every decorative item in this church have come out of these bones. And now this is the top tourist attraction of that country. Number 5. Lake Natron. Lake Natron is situated in the country called Tanzania. The minimum temperature of this lake is 40 degrees centigrade. This lake is also called salt and soda lake. Because of this heat and high evaporation level, sodium carbonate and decahydrate salt is formed. This salt was used in making mummies in Egypt. If any bird takes flight over this lake, if any animal comes to drink water from it, because of these salt vapors, they die immediately and their body become like a rock. This is one of the top dangerous lakes in the world. Number 4. Jatanga. This is the name of village in Assam situated in India. Here every year between 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. in the evening, mostly in September to October. Hundreds of birds come and dive to their death. 37 kinds of birds fall here to their death. There is no scientific reason for this phenomena, but people in that village says that the evils and spirits high above the sky are the reasons for this. Number 3, Guatemala Cemetery. Guatemala Cemetery is situated in Guatemala City of Central America. A strange thing is that there the graves are placed one above the other. Likewise, here thousands of graves exist. The cost for a new grave is free for 6 years, but after that, for every 4 years, 1600 should be paid. If not paid, they would mark red on that grave. Even though if still not paid, they would remove the dead body and throw it into a general graveyard. Strange. Every day, nearly 40 bodies are thrown. Strange, right? Number 2, Vrolijk Museum. This museum is located in Amsterdam. Here is the largest collection of human deformity. That means abnormal human specimens are preserved here. From the two-headed fetus to the abnormal body growth, all the deformities are stored. This is one of the famous spot for tourists. This is also useful for molecular biology. Number 1, Catacombs of Paris. Paris Catacombs is the world's biggest grave. This ossuary is made up of 60 lakh skulls and bones of humans. Few say that they experience spirits here. Here even underground tunnels exist. These are measured for hundreds of kilometers. The walls of this place are renovated by the skulls of the people who have died ages before. These are called catacombs and this is one of the famous tourist attraction in the Paris. Thanks for watching. If you find this video knowledgeable, please add a like and subscribe to my channel.